Hi, ma'am.
Good,
Good morning.
good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How is everyone today?
Good, ma'am.
Good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, I need everyone to turn on their cameras. Please turn on your cameras.
Ma'am, my charger is working.
Even my
Now it's
charge is
working.
very low after this. It's working now? That's good. Okay, people, how is your team doing? I feel later. Our team is losing. Abhi, our team is losing.
We are 16 points
I got
ahead.
11 points. No.
Did you do the yoga
Yes.
posture?
No, I'm not
No,
joining the
ma'am.
yoga because I
I
have
didn't
to
do today.
We have to do that today and send. You know that, right? By 10 p.m.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will not be calculated. Abhi, you're our team. Okay, we need that points. No?
Ma'am,
Yes.
And Abby is
we are
slowly.
16 points ahead.
I know. Yeah, don't remind me. I'm having a heart attack. Ah, I'm having a heart attack. Mini heart attack.
And I don't
Diabetes.
know why there's so many messages from Essen. He's like sending spamming messages to me.
Yeah, Ishan, please turn on the camera.
Every time he's like announcement. We are
Wait.
3 points
Who's
ahead. There's
messaging you? Al-Fatih?
this
Who's
Essen in my Gmail. It's full of his messages. I keep have to delete those messages.
Hmm.
Before I
Layman and
answered
Aishin, I'll personally message you
answered
guys.
all of the messages, it was like 336.
Ma'am,
Now I deleted
ma'am,
all of it. Now
Yes,
it's
Cyrus?
ma'am, we're 15, 16 points ahead.
I know, yeah. Don't remind me again another mini heart attack. Oh my god. Ouch. It hurts. Phoenix team, it hurts.
Wait.
Ihan, you Phoenix buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, our Phoenix team is here. See, Ishan is here, Ihan is here, Abib is here, Aishin is here, Liza is here. You guys are lesson number now. Yes, Ishan.
I will put yesterday one review.
You put a review. What about yoga?
Wait, yeah, today's the day the yoga starts, right?
Yesterday it started. Today you have to put. Okay.
What?
bro. My mom and dad have so much on their hands.
Yeah, it started. It is there in your Phoenix group. Everyone open your Phoenix group. Open your Phoenix classroom.
See that. Okay.
Do you see that? Abhi, open
I
your Phoenix
already saw the
classroom.
video and all of that stuff now.
Everyone share your screen. Open your Google classroom. Phoenix classroom. Griffith classroom. Sorry, Griffin. I'm so much influenced by Harry Potter that I say it as Griffith. Griffith. Griffin.
I got it. I got it. I got some. Review competition, ma'am.
Yes.
Guys,
Not the review competition. Yoga. Yoga. Today is the deadline for the first yoga posture.
The
See, Ishan is showing us.
creative
Take the Phoenix.
yoga challenge.
Yes, yoga. Take the Phoenix. Phoenix classroom.
Now look at the side and share the screen.
Griffin
wait,
people.
the
Who
first
person in
one.
Griffin? Share the Griffin classroom.
The first one, Look this
This
one.
one.
This one, ma'am.
Yes. See, yoga challenge. They have given the posture there. You have to do it and send the photo.
If
Hmm.
I
Oh
do
my
that,
god.
It's
I'll
this
get
on
one.
this.
Amazing
You
now.
have to put like this,
If I
stand on
do
one
that,
leg.
I'll get all my 206
I
bones.
know that.
Make sure to do it on an empty stomach again, not a full stomach. Do it in an empty stomach. See, I am doing it
If
already.
I do that,
Abhi,
I
you
will
have to do
get
it.
all my
Ishan,
200.
Ihan, we have to do it. Liza, I don't have to tell you separately, right? I know you will do it. Aishin? Aishin?
I have flexible legs, so I can do that.
Yeah. So I want every one of you to do it. Especially little more extra I'll say to Phoenix because I'm a bit attached to Phoenix. I'm in that. But everyone do it, okay? Send it. Everyone send it. I want all my class to send it.
Like singing word.
Whether it is Phoenix or Griffin, I love all of you equally. But I want Phoenix to win. Abhi, do you know what is going on? You know
Can I
right?
just say something?
Yes, Saya.
Ma'am, can I show you how I did that? That was easy.
Did you do it? Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. Ihan, Ishan, you didn't do the last challenge, video challenge. This you have to do. Our point is going down, okay? Ihan and Ishan, please give me a thumbs up. Yes, Haya, that is easy. It's very easy posting. You just have to send up like just
Yeah.
in one leg. See as Haya is doing. Everyone look at Haya.
Just
See,
listen to one thing. If I do that, I'll break all my 206 bones.
so
Okay, I'm
then
not doing that.
further don't do it. Don't hurt yourself. Those who I don't want any of you to hurt
Hate
yourself. Okay.
yoga. And for no reason, I hate yoga.
Barira, what happened? Why Barira is so silent? Barira's mama there.
Yeah?
Tell mama she has not filled the form for uniform. Please, like sports day jersey. Please ask her to fill that form. Okay, it is very important.
Will everyone
Okay.
have a Ronaldo behind the picture?
Tell her now, Barira. Go tell mama. Okay, I want everyone. Please, Ishan, will you send the yoga poster today before 10, before 6?
I'm
Ishan,
not doing the yoga.
I woke up at 6.
I'm talking about evening 6. Before evening 6. Milan, you're late. You'll do it? Good.
I
What
will
about
go
you?
in the second.
I know it. I know him. He won't
Ihan,
do it.
will you do it? Will you do it for us?
I thought that you have to do it. You can't
No,
stop.
I will break my
God,
bones.
our
I won't.
team is losing by 17, 17. We need all the Phoenix to do it. 17. We are so behind. Abhi, we are so behind.
Just do two pose. You just do two
Yeah.
pose and then lift you one of your leg up and then just balance
It's
on your
one
leg.
step,
Actually,
one
you
step,
will do it,
one
right?
behind.
Yes, deeping.
Those who are going to do it, give me a thumbs up. Today, before
I
10
need to go ahead because Salim sir said all the competitions are compulsory.
Yeah. Abhi will do it. Abhi? Yes, right?
Compulsory. Ma'am,
Yeah. See, even Abhi said he's doing it. He just joined us. Come on, Ishan and Ihan. You have to do this and send, okay?
ma'am.
Yes,
I
sir.
know for sure today's elimination is there.
Haya,
The thing is, yeah, the thing is that so today we'll get another picture
today evening you'll get picture for tomorrow. This is for today.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay.
Tomorrow day they will take
We will
so
get
that you can take a photo.
this picture pose is for today.
This is for today. Today 10 p.m. before 10 p.m. If you're sending after 10 p.m. it will not be calculated. Ah, Milan is saying hi, Abir. Abir, someone said hi to you. Oh, Milan and Abir are best friends.
Yeah, we're good friends.
You're good friends. That's nice. Where did Abir go? Abir? And
Abhi
I
flew
didn't fill
away.
the t-shirt.
yeah, did everyone fill the t-shirt form? Ishan, did you fill the t-shirt form?
No,
I don't even need the t-shirt.
You're in India. That I know. Those who are coming, they need to fill form for t-shirt. Okay, people.
I'm
Where is
present.
ma'am? Where is ma'am? Where is Amina ma'am? Amina ma'am is here. Hello. Amina ma'am is here. Bye, people. You're in good hands. Amina ma'am, our colleagues team, not in the okay? There are many ones here. Abhay is there, Ishan is there. Everyone, please. Please. I want to tell something to Amina ma'am. Amina ma'am.
No, you're supposed to say macaroni, please.
Amina ma'am.
Please, everybody, please. You know that.
Amina
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am.
is Griffin. That's the thing.
Ma'am, what is it? What t-shirt form?
Those who are coming for November 30th Sports Day, they have to fill a jersey number form, right?
Amina, ma'am.
Amina ma'am.
I think Amina, ma'am is in Griffin.
Yes, I
Um,
did. I did. Wait a minute. Your hand is raised. I need you to speak a
Yes.
little more, okay? Interact and talk a lot. Do you see these people? These people talk a lot. You need to get mingled with them, okay? Hmm. Amina, ma'am, no, yes. Amina? Okay, guys, I have to go to another class. Bye bye. I think ma'am will take over.
Yes, yes.
Amina ma'am, see there are 7 and 8 right now. Ihan, Ishan, Lazel, Abid, Aishin. These are all Phoenix. Who's the?
I got a new friend.
Bye guys.
Oh, like,
bye, ma'am.